Do you want to get the best quality for your edits? Don't worry, today I'll show you how I make my quality better with these settings. So let's get into it. In case you didn't know, the movie that I use for this clip is Puss In Boots Last Wish. First, get your clip ready. I had a clip with Trickster already. And before we upscale anything, we should add the new adjustment layer. And then add this sharpen setting. You can follow my settings right there. After that, you can render your clips and then follow the settings. Then click render. After done rendering, open Topaz Video Ai. In this case, I use Topaz 2.6.4 and then open your rendered clips. And follow my settings. Then click start processing. As you can see here, the quality has increased a lot. But this is not the end yet. You have to follow the next steps. You can open After Effects again. Import the clip that you have been upscaled. And then add adjustment layer again. And add BCC and sharpness effect. Follow my settings right there. After that, you can later add your own CC. And that's pretty much it. You have done with your great quality. It's easy, right? So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, have a good day.